Good morning friends, today it's 21st of May 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. Yesterday it was mentioned that as per the derivatives data, the option sellers has strengthened their higher end positions in index and heavyweight stocks also indicating pressure at higher end, and thus it was advised for partial profit taking in trading long positions or trailing stop losses. For index, it was mentioned that the immediate support for Nifty 50 is at around 24,700, above which the bias remains buy on dip on all different time frames, with a strong resistance zone between 25,250 25,500 zone, which need to be taken off for any kind of fresh buying interest come short covering. Yesterday, Nifty 50 index slipped down from the highs of 25,010 levels to intraday lows of 24,670, and it ended the session at 24,685 levels in red, down 1%. The index 24,700 remains crucial. Maintaining stop below 24,500 contra hedged long strategies in Nifty can be looked into in short-term time frame. While as per the intraday charts, now 25,000 will act as a resistance, below which upside remains capped. In respect with the broader market outlook, be light and hedged with leverage long positions and look for profit taking in trading long positions on pullbacks. Nifty mid cap and Nifty small cap indices are too stretched in short term and are close to mid term resistance come profit taking levels, as has been mentioned in last few sessions. Overall, the index can be within a range with silver line with intraday silver line of 24,700 between bulls and bears. 24,700 Nifty 50 will important for next few trading sessions. If we talk about Bank Nifty, it is slipped down from the highs of 55,568 to intraday lows of 54,829 and ended at 54,877, down minus 0.98% yesterday. Broadly, since 12th of May, Bank Nifty is within a range of 54,500 and 55,500 zone. It's a consolidation phase which is going on, and as mentioned earlier, 54,000 remains important. It's a important support come trending line silver line between bulls and bears. Holding over and above 54,000 mark, the bias remains range to up. If we talk about derivatives data, fresh short selling in index options has been witnessed in last session. For intraday index traders, Nifty futures 24,620 and 24,450, these are the important levels where dips can be looked for buying, maintaining strict stop loss of 50 odd points, while 24,980 and 25,150 are important resistance levels for contra trading shorts, maintaining strict stop losses. In respect of the Bank Nifty futures, 54,750 and 54,350 are buying levels, while 55,500 and 55,850 can be looked for contra trading short bets, maintaining strict stop losses. Overall, be light with the trading long leverage long positions and be hedged in the market. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.